Almost done. Just 3 more pieces. 3 more pieces.
This flower needs more yellow. And maybe some pink. Yes, pink is perfect.
I am so bored. So bored. When is Mom coming home? She said 5 o'clock. It is 4:30. You have 30 minutes. Find something to do.
Zara, come draw with me. Drawing is never boring. Look at my flower.
Oh, someone is at the door. I will go open it. Wait. Stop. Mom and Dad are not home. Do we know who that is? Oh, right. We are alone. We do not know who it is.
Do not open the door yet. First, go look through the window. See who it is.
I can see a man. I do not know him. He is not from our neighborhood. We do not know him. So, what do we do?
Rule 1. Do not open the door. We do not know him. We stay quiet.
Do not make any sound. If we are quiet, he will think no one is home. Okay, everything is fine. Let's go back to what we were doing.
Good job, everyone. We followed the rules. Mom will be proud.
Okay, back to being bored. At least bored is safe.
Did you hear that? There was a sound. From the back.
I hear it too. That is the kitchen window. Someone is trying to open it. That is not Mom. Mom has a key. Mom uses the front door. This is not right.
Listen, we do not go to the kitchen. We stay together. What is our plan?
Okay, 3 options. 1, call for help. 2, get out of the house. 3, go to a safe room. The front door is close. We can get out. Then we go to Mrs. Kim next door. She is safe. I call Mom first. Always call first. Then we go. Come on, Mom. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up.
Mom does not answer.
Okay. I call the emergency number now. 911.
Hello, my name is Finn. Our address is 12 Oak Street. Someone is trying to get into our house. We are 3 children. We are alone. Please come.
Finn is so calm. He is so good at this. I would have panicked.
He practiced. We all practiced. That is why we know what to do.
They are coming. They said, get out of the house now. Go to a neighbor. Do not wait.
Stay together. Hold hands. We go out and we go to Mrs. Kim. Ready?
Ready. Together, we go together. Nobody stays behind.
I open the door. We run to Mrs. Kim. Her house is right there. We can do this.
Run! Do not stop! Mrs. Kim's house right there!
Do not look back. Keep running. We are almost there. Almost there.
We are here. We are safe. We made it. Knock on the door. Knock hard.
Mrs. Kim! Mrs. Kim! Please open the door! We need help! Please!
Mrs. Kim, someone is trying to get into our house. We called the police. They are coming.
The address is 12 Oak Street. That is our house. I already called. They said 2 minutes. Thank you, Mrs. Kim. Thank you so much. We are okay. We got out. We are okay. I hear the police car. They are coming. We called at the right time. The plan worked.
We did everything right. We did not open the door. We called for help. We got out together.
The police are at our house now. The grown-ups are handling it. We did our job. Mrs. Kim is calling our parents. They will come soon. Everything is okay now.
We were all scared, but we did it anyway. That is called being brave. All 3 of us.
Okay, let's talk about what we did, step by step. What did we do first?
First, we did not open the door. We looked through the window first. We checked.
Second, when we heard the noise, we did not go to the kitchen. We stayed away. Third, I called for help first, before we ran. Information helps people find us faster.
Fourth, we ran out together. Nobody stayed behind. We held hands. We moved fast.
Fifth, we went to a safe neighbor, not a stranger, Mrs. Kim. We know her. She is safe.
5 steps. We did all 5. That is why we are safe right now, because we had a plan.
A plan makes you less scared. When you know what to do, your brain can think, not just panic.
So tonight, talk to your family. Make a plan together. Know your safe neighbor. Know the number to call. Remember the 5 steps. 1. Do not open the door. 2. Stay away from the danger.
3. Call for help first. Tell them your address. 4. Get out of the house fast.
5. Go to a safe neighbor. Someone you know, not a stranger, someone your family trusts. And always call the emergency number. Say your address. Say what is happening.
Talk to your mom and dad tonight. Ask them, what is our plan? Who is our safe neighbor?
You are not alone. You have friends. You have family. And now you have a plan. That is power.
Stay safe, make a plan, and remember, getting out is always the right choice.
See you next time. We love you. You are safe. Bye. This park is so fun. I love coming here after school.
Let's play tag. I will run. You two catch me. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
You can't catch me. I am too fast. Wait for me. I am coming, Zara.
Okay, I need water. My legs say stop.
Hello there. You are Miko, right? I know your name.
Oh, yes. I am Miko. How do you know my name?
I know your mom and dad. They are very nice people. We are friends.
You know my mom and dad?
Yes, and they are waiting for you right now. Just over there. Come with me.
My parents are waiting? But they said they come at 5 o'clock.
Yes. They changed the plan. It's okay.
I don't know. Something feels not right. I want to call my mom first.
No, it's okay. We don't need to call. They are very close. Just come.
I don't want to go. I need to wait here. My mom said wait here.
Come on. It is okay. I am a nice person. Your parents know me.
I want to find my friends first.
Where is Miko? I don't see her. Finn, look over there.
I see her. She is on the bench, and there is a man talking to her.
Miko looks scared. I don't know that man. Come on, Finn, run! Yes, we go now. We go fast. Miko needs us. Miko, we are coming! Miko, there you are. I was looking for you everywhere.
Zara! This man says he knows mom and dad. He wants me to go with him.
Miko, we need to call your mom first. We always call before we go anywhere.
No, it's okay. We don't need to call.
We do not go anywhere without calling first. That is our rule. Always. I see a park guard over there. I will call for help right now. The park guard is coming! He heard me! He is coming to help us!
Zara, I feel scared. My stomach feels bad.
Yes, that feeling is important. When your stomach says something is wrong, it is right! Excuse me. This man wants our friend to go with him. We do not know him.
I I just know her parents. I wanted to help.
He said he knows Miko's mom and dad, but we are not sure. Can you help?
I want to call my mom. Can I use your phone, please?
We call now. We check first. Always check first. That is the right thing.
Mom? Hi, Mom. Are you at the park? Is someone coming to get me now?
What does she say? What does your mom say, Miko?
Mom says no. She's not sending anyone. She's still at work. She says stay there.
Her mom did not send you. Her mom is at work. You are not telling the truth. The park guard is here. He will help. We are safe now. We are okay.
I am glad you two came. I was scared. I did not know what to do.
You did the right thing, Miko. You said no. You did not go. That was so brave. Yes, you said, I do not want to go. That is a very important sentence. Good job.
My stomach told me something was wrong, and I listened to it. I am glad I listened.
Your stomach is very smart. Next time, always listen to that feeling. Okay?
Okay, I will always listen. I promise.
Okay, let's talk about what happened. That was a very important situation.
He was so nice. He was smiling. He did not look scary at all.
I know. That is the hard part. Not all dangerous things look dangerous. Some look very nice. Rule number 1. A good adult does not ask a child to go alone. Never. That is wrong.
He said, come with me. Come alone, no friends. That felt very wrong.
Yes! When someone says come alone and do not tell your friends, that is a big red flag. Rule number 2. Your body feeling is important. When your stomach says wrong, it is right.
My stomach was right today. It said, something is wrong here. Do not go. And I listened.
Rule number 3. It is okay to say no. You do not need to be polite all the time.
But Mom always says be polite to adults. Be kind. Be nice.
Being polite is good, but being safe is more important. You can say no. That is okay.
Yes. Safe first. Polite second. In a scary situation, you can shout. You can run. It is okay.
I can shout, even if people look at me, even if it is loud?
Yes! That is how people know you need help. Loud is good when you are scared. Rule number 4. Find a uniform. A guard, a police, a shop worker. They can help you.
Like the park guard today? He helped us. He came when Finn called.
One more important thing. Do you know our family code word?
Code word? What is a code word? I never heard that word before.
A code word is a secret word. Your family picks one word. Only your family knows it. If someone says your mom sent me, you ask, what is the code word? If they don't know, you run.
Oh, so if the man today knew our code word, maybe he is really from my family.
Exactly. The code word is your secret check. It is your family's special password.
I am going to ask Mom and Dad for our code word tonight. I want to know it.
Good idea. And remember, never tell the code word to anyone outside your family. Keep it secret.
You are going to be very ready next time. You learned so much today, Miko.